In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about the Chase Brokerage account and whether it's the right fit for your investing goals. Let's break down the features, fees, and real user ratings. Let's get started. First, Chase Brokerage, also known as JP Morgan Self-Directed Investing, is offered through Chase Bank and is designed for beginner to intermediate investors. Next, the platform offers zero commission on US stock and ETF trades, making it competitive with other low-cost brokers. Then, there are no account minimums, which is great if you're just starting out. However, options trading comes with a 65 cents per contract fee. In terms of features, you'll get access to Chase's app integration, real-time data, and basic research tools. But it lacks the depth offered by platforms like Thinkorswim or Fidelity Active Trader Pro. As for user experience, on Trustpilot, Chase Brokerage holds a 3.8 rating, reflecting a mix of praise for ease of use and criticism for customer service response times. And that's a quick look at whether Chase Brokerage is worth it for your needs. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more straightforward financial reviews. See you next time!